Our product combs the universe of bonds and picks out the bonds that are the best fit and the best value for that trader's investment strategy. It's been said that the bond market is struggling to move out of the 19th century. Stock traders have been using algorithms for years to make stock decisions in the fraction of a second. But in the bond market, we are really in the dark ages. Deciding what bond to buy and sell involves tons of human effort and manual processes. So to understand this problem, let's imagine that you and I are peering over the shoulder of a bond trader. His name is Greg. And this is a story that Greg told me. He said, let me explain how deep this problem is. On my terminal right now, I'm in something like 50 to 60 chat rooms with brokers trying to sell me bonds. And then on my messaging screen, between the time of 2:43 and 2:44 p.m., I've gotten 42 messages from brokers. 42 messages a minute. And that's about average. And then I've got people all day long calling me saying, hey, Greg, I've got Verizon's 4 of 20. Do you want them? Do you want them? Do you care? See, Greg has a problem. How does he make sense of all these bonds and figure out what to buy? And as you're peering over his shoulder, you think to yourself, I bet he's got a really sophisticated tool that will help him with this problem. But Greg navigates that problem the only way he knows how. Goes to Microsoft Excel, pulls up a spreadsheet, starts manipulating spreadsheets. And the truth is, trillions of dollars are managed in Microsoft Excel just like this. Frankly, no commercial product solves his problem. Until now. UpperRoom Technology has developed a patent-pending algorithm that reinvents the way bonds are modeled. Let me show you a brief demo. Let me show you the future of bond trading. So what Greg would do is that he would select the portfolio goals that he wants to adhere to. Then he selects the universe of bonds that he cares about. And what our product does, it goes through, picks out the top bonds to buy, the top bonds to sell, and puts together trade recommendation packages that the user can act on. The interface also allows for drag and drop, so he can drag in a bond, drag on a bond, and get a vetted calculation as to whether or not he should even be pursuing that idea in the first place. If he wants to execute the trade, he finalizes it and executes it on his platform of choice. So what's the outcome of all this? It's that Greg no longer has to wander in the wilderness of an overwhelming amount of bonds to buy. We provide answers. We provide a true north to calibrate your trading to. So he knows the best bonds to buy and sell. Or in his words, I not only save myself a ton of time, but I buy what I actually want to buy. And in the world's largest capital market, the bond market, this is a leap of value that the market has never seen before. So how we make money is we have a monthly SaaS charge per month per user based on assets that are managed under the firm, ranging from $375 to $1,350. The team, real briefly, so I'm Matthew Key. I spent my career at JP Morgan. I have an MBA and a Master's of Entrepreneurship and Innovation from Indiana University, which is the #3 ranked entrepreneurship program in the country. My father, Jack, has spent his career in fixed income. This is actually his second startup in fixed income software. Our CTO, Trung, has built a host of FinTech applications. We are blessed to have an incredible board of advisors, most notably Sarah Biller, FinTech expert out of Boston, travels the world advising companies. She is former CEO of her own bond trading startup, and then John Green, a global fixed income market technologist and consultant. It's been said that the bond market is struggling to move out of the 19th century. Bond traders like Greg every day face an overwhelming amount of bonds to buy. UpperRoom Technology has developed a key breakthrough. We've reinvented the way that bonds are modeled, and we are positioned to change the landscape of the bond market and bring it out of the 19th century. So long, 19th century, the future of bond trading has dawned. Thank you.